The goal of this lecture was to begin a conversation with AUC and myself about teaching for transfer and learning for transfer. And that means helping students, for teachers, to help students learn how to remember what they've learned so that they can use that knowledge in another course, in their personal lives, or at work.
We are hosting Dr. Hood this week because she talks about the value of liberal arts. Today's lecture was about teaching for transfer, a very important topic that is meaningful to both our faculty and our students.
I learned from this lecture that I should implement